Carpentry program is a 4-year program. Students gain the knowledge and how to use hand tools and power tools and how to actually carry themselves and perform on job sites. And also gives them skills where they say and I kind of try to relate it to just real life scenarios versus just even going into the workforce. I mean, gaining skills to actually be able to fix stuff around the house or help, repair things that need to be fixed, and just kind of gives them all around skills.
I decided to get involved in the program because I want to be a carpenter when I grow up. And I like this program because I get to work with my hands, I get to work with wood, all kinds of things that I like doing.
Well, I learned teamwork. We're very, you have to make friends with the people that you're working with here, or else you're just not going to get a project done. And I also learned how to work with tools. So if I wanted to make a project at home, I'd be able to.
It's preparing them for a future career because it's giving them that first-hand knowledge, first-hand experience, on-the-job training without actually having to be on a job at the ages of 14 through 18. But when they graduate high school, they are ready to go into the workforce because they have that experience of working in the shop and working with classmates in a group setting and working with other trades here at the ITC.
Well, I plan to get a job in construction. Everybody, it's always nice to have good job security, and people with the right certifications are always going to be in need. So basically always going to be able to get a job, and I like that aspect.
There's always a need. There's always a need for employees. There's always a need for building. If you just take a ride down the street, you're always going to see new construction or even remodeling. So I mean, there's always a need for trades.